Hi. Today's topic is adjusting the H5I's humidity and temperature settings in manual mode. This video is for everyone who's ever wanted to be able to adjust both. It will add to your comfort as you can adjust each setting based on the room temperature where you are. The whole process is very straightforward. Manual mode is something that the person setting up your S9 will have done for you. This gives you the ability to manually change the temperature and the humidity at any time. Now let's begin. After you have connected the H5I to your S9, connect the end of the tubing with the climate line written on it into your mask. Now remove the rubber casing from the back of the humidifier so you can see the orange connector. Attach the other end of the climate line hose and twist it until it clicks into place, and now you're ready to go. You'll see icons of a water drop and a thermometer on the screen. Let's change your humidity level first. Turn the dial on your S9 until the water drop image is selected. Click the dial once, and the background screen color will immediately change to yellow. Next, turn the dial to select the humidity setting you want. The settings go from off to 6, with 1 being the lowest and 6 the highest humidity. If you're unsure what humidity setting you should be on, start at 3 and just go from there. When you've selected, just click the dial again, and it's now set. To change the temperature, turn the dial until the thermometer icon appears on the screen. Click the dial once, and the background screen color will immediately change to yellow. Then turn the dial to select the temperature you want. You can adjust how warm you want your air from 60 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. When you've selected, just click the dial again, and it's now set. By adjusting temperature and humidity, you have greater control. However, by using a high humidity setting, you risk experiencing what is called rainout, which is when condensation forms in the tubing when the balance between humidity and temperature is not correct. Yet the higher the set temperature, the less likely rainout is. If it does happen, just turn down the humidity level or turn up the temperature. Rainout can't happen in auto mode as the H5I senses and adjusts both levels to avoid it. During therapy, the heater plate will turn on and off and increase and decrease temperature depending on the conditions in your room. This is normal, as the H5I adjusts temperature and humidity within the room you're in to deliver the warmth and humidification you're wanting. Also be aware that when it's time for bed, the screen lights will turn off on both the S9 and the H5I so that you can enjoy a comfortable night's sleep. But if you turn the dial, the S9 screen will light up, showing you either your humidity level or climate control setting. I hope this video has been helpful. I'll see you next time.